I'd like you to take a deep, satisfying breath in, filling your lungs with calm energy. And now let it out slowly, nice and long. Just let go. Allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you. Now, close your eyes. Bring all of your attention to your eyelids and the tiny muscles around your eyes. Imagine that all the tension in those muscles is melting away, like ice melting into water. They are becoming so loose, so limp, and so heavy. In fact, relax them so much that they just stop working. Pretend that they are glued shut, heavy and tired. In a moment, you can try to open them, but you will find that the harder you try, the heavier they feel. They just want to stay closed. Go ahead and test them now. Try to open them. Find that they are locked tight. And then just stop trying. Let them stay closed and send a wave of relaxation all the way down your body. Feel that relaxation spreading from your eyes, flowing down through your cheeks, your neck, and your shoulders. It moves down your arms and your back, all the way to your toes. Your whole body is becoming limp and heavy. It feels like you are going on a mental vacation. The world outside doesn't matter right now. All that matters is this feeling of peace. It's almost as if I've taken a heavy, warm, cozy blanket and tucked it tightly around you, all the way up to your chin. You are safe, warm, and deeply relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to snap my fingers. When you hear that sound, I want you to briefly open your eyes and then immediately close them again. When your eyelids drop back down, you will feel this relaxation double instantly. Open your eyes and close them. Deeper down, much deeper than before. Open and close, drifting down twice as deep. It feels so good to just let go. Now, we are going to double this feeling again. In a moment, when I give the signal, you're going to lift your right hand just a few inches. It will feel heavy, and then you will just let it drop. As your hand flops down, your mind will drop into an even deeper state of calm. Ready? Lift your hand up and drop it. Just let it go completely limp. As it lands, feel a wave of relief wash over you. You simply cannot hold on to any tension anymore. Now, I invite your mind to become empty and blank. This is natural. Your mind actually wants to be quiet. Imagine a silent lake on a windless evening. The water is perfectly flat, like a sheet of glass. It is still. It is calm. Your mind is just like that lake. No ripples, no thoughts, no opinions. Just stillness. It is a relief to stop thinking. It is a relief to just be empty. To help your mind become even emptier, we are going to count down. In a moment, start counting backwards from 100 with me. But here is the secret. With each number you say, you will relax your mind so much that the numbers will just disappear. By the time we reach 96 or 95, there will be no numbers left. 100. Deeply relaxed. 99. The numbers are starting to fade away. 98. Your mind is losing interest in them. 97. They are drifting further away. 96. Gone. Push the rest of them away. Make them disappear. Your mind is now too relaxed to think of numbers. It feels better to just not think at all. Now, in your mind's eye, visualize a row of balloons. Each balloon is shaped like a letter. Together, these balloons spell out your first name. You can see the letters floating there in the air. They can be any color you like. In a moment, I will snap my fingers. Each time I do, one letter is going to float up, up, and away, disappearing into the sky. And as the letter disappears from your sight, it disappears from your memory too. The first letter floats away. Watch it get smaller and smaller until it vanishes. The next letter drifts up into the clouds, gone forever. Another letter floats away. Your mind is becoming blanker and emptier. The next one goes. You don't need it anymore. The last letter floats away, disappearing completely. The balloons are gone. The name is gone. There is nothing left to remember. You are just here, wrapped in that warm blanket, feeling heavy and safe. Stay here in this empty, blank space. It is a vacation from yourself. No identity, no memories, just pure relaxation. Rest here for a moment. When you are ready to return, I will count from 1 to 5. When I say 5, you will be fully back, feeling refreshed and wonderful. 1. Slowly coming back to the room. 2. Taking a deep, energizing breath. 3. Wiggling your fingers and toes. 4. Your mind is clear and sharp. 5. Open your eyes, wide awake and feeling fantastic.